This, my friends, is a video about a Nugget Ice maker, specifically the Opal 1.0 made by GE. But to properly talk about how awesome this thing is, I have to first show you where we've chosen to put it inside of our house. Today's video is from our little office studio where we work all day, and man, I love having this thing available for us. Let's do a quick office tour. So this is our office studio. As you can see, it's a small little space that offers an enormous amount of creativity. We actually love it up here working during the day. And over here, we've got our little piano desk. This is the piano that I actually learned to play on as a kid. We converted it into our desk where we can work from. We've got our external monitor as well as our chalkboard for ideas. And everything else is really just simple and basic. We've got our instruments on the walls. And then over on this side of the room, you can see we've got our little lounge area, a couple of chairs where we can sit and do a little processing creatively. And then obviously, as you can see, we've got our Nugget Ice maker right here and available for refreshing drinks whenever we want it. Okay, so is having a Nugget Ice maker in our office studio a little bit overkill? Yeah, but come on. Having this kind of stuff ready available for refreshing drinks throughout the day has just been an absolute game changer. In fact, we use Nugget Ice in our drinks every single day now. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Nugget Ice, let me show you what you're missing out on. This is these little nuggets that the machine creates. You may have seen this stuff in some of your favorite fast food restaurants, maybe at convenience stores. They're small, they're crunchy, it just makes your drink like a little slushie. We absolutely love it. Now, using the machine is super simple. Basically, you have this little ice bucket, and once you remove that, you can actually fill this large reservoir up with water. There's a max fill line in there, and that is basically it. You put the ice tray back in, you close the lid, and then you hit that power button. Now the water will begin cycling through the unit as the cooling system begins to freeze the water. After about 10 minutes, your first little nugget ice will begin coming out, and it'll continue that process until that ice bucket is filled up. Now this process can take a little bit of time, up to 2 hours, but again, it is worth the wait. The Opal 1.0 has a couple of different buttons here. We got the power button, we have the clean button. You hold this for 3 seconds and it cycles through the water or your cleaning solution when you have that. We have another video showing you exactly how to do this on our channel. Now, as you may be able to hear, the machine does make a little bit of noise while it is making ice, but it isn't super loud. So it kind of blends in the background as white noise. So there you go, friends. That is the Opal 1.0. It's a Nugget Ice maker. It's made by GE. You can find it on Amazon, and we absolutely love it. Huge thumbs up from us. Hopefully this video has helped you. If you're interested in purchasing one of these, we'll put some links in the description box below. You can check that out, and then stay tuned, subscribe. We got a bunch more videos checking out other GE appliances, other kitchen appliances that we really love. Those videos will be coming here soon, and so we'll see you again on the next one.